Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream more solid. Achieving perfectly stable, whipped cream starts with ensuring all your equipment and ingredients are thoroughly chilled. Place your mixing bowl and whisk attachment in the freezer for about 15 minutes before you begin. Always use heavy cream with a minimum of 36% milk fat. This higher fat content is crucial for a firm, stable texture. These initial steps are fundamental for a successful, long-lasting whipped cream. One excellent way to stabilize whipped cream is by incorporating gelatin. Begin by dissolving 1 teaspoon of unflavored gelatin in 2 tablespoons of cold water, allowing it to bloom for 5 minutes. Then, gently heat this mixture until the gelatin is completely clear and dissolved, ensuring it cools slightly before use. As your cream reaches soft peaks, slowly drizzle the cooled gelatin mixture into the bowl while continuing to whip. This method provides a remarkably firm and lasting structure. Another effective method involves using cornstarch or powdered sugar. For every 1 cup of heavy cream, you can add about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Alternatively, powdered sugar, also known as confectioner's sugar, naturally contains a small amount of cornstarch, which acts as a stabilizer. Sift your chosen stabilizer into the cream once it starts to form soft peaks. Continue whipping until you achieve your desired firm consistency. This helps prevent weeping and maintains volume. It is crucial to avoid overwhipping your cream. Whip until firm peaks form, where the cream holds its shape well, but stop immediately before it starts to look grainy or curdled. Overwhipping can cause the fat and liquid to separate, resulting in a less desirable texture. For storage, place your stabilized whipped cream in an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will maintain its delightful texture and freshness for up to 2 days, ready for your next dessert.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.